Hi people out there. So today we are going to start a new playlist which is Talend Shortcuts. So here I will try to upload all tip and tricks which we can use in our Talend provided components to make our job and our work efficient. Okay, there are a lot of options Talend provide to us which we can use and reduce our efforts. So let's get started with the video. First topic is renaming the tMap output table. Many people just casually just name their output table in tMap, and later on they decide no, they have to now rename it. So it is a very tiring thing also, and a very problematic thing also, because accordingly once you name it, you cannot rename it by clicking. You see, I'm clicking right click and left click, but no option is coming. But fortunately we can rename it. Now this is output 1. You can see here, this is output 1, and we have connected this to tlog row. Alright, now if I want to rename it, I have no other options like right clicking, any other options. I don't have it. So what you can do, you can see, that this is connector, right? And this is my output table, and these are my input tables. Okay, this is basics of tMap. Now if I want to rename my output table, first just go to the connector name, just double click. Okay, and now you can rename it. Sorry, my mouse is not working. All right, so now you want to, whatever you want to rename it, or you want to correct your naming convention. So suppose I did as result, hitting enter. So what do you think, it will change output table name or not? Let's check. Yeah, it got changed. So this way we can rename our output table name. That's it. Thanks for watching.